darling. We'll turn the lights back on now. We're watching, watching as the credits all roll down. Crying, crying. You know we're playing to a full house. No heroes, villains, one to blame. While the difficulties fill the stage, and the thrill is gone. Our debut was a masterpiece, but in the end, for you and me on the show, it can't go on.